So this is a video for those people who got the window that when you roll it back down and roll it back up after, let's say, the window falls off the tracks, or like if these little clips right here, if those clips fall off, resulting in like it's like a loud clanking noise, and most likely your window, the edge is gonna be like right over here. Well, the fix for that, I was looking online, people were saying you gotta replace the entire window seal that leads all the way here. It's the guide as well. It functions as the guide for the window. You see the window is attached to it. You gotta replace this whole thing, which is about like $180. And I was like, fuck that. And I did some more research, and it turns out this little bolt right here is all you need to fix the window. That's literally all you need. You just loosen it, and I should have showed you, but you loosen it and you bring this down. Like yours is most likely gonna be, this is gonna be up, so it'll be moved up, so you won't even see this bottom part right here. All you gotta do is move it a little bit down, which will tilt the rear of the window this way. And like, see, look, I barely moved it, just a little bit. Like I said, you couldn't see this before, now you can see it. It's not a big difference. And all it did was tilt the window that way. And you don't want to do it too much, because then it's obviously gonna run into your seal. But just tilt it just that much, and then tighten it back up, and then your window will be good. My regulator, my motor is fucked up, but you can see now, before, the window won't even, it'll like start like crunch. See, you can see what happened. It'll like crunch it up because the window's unaligned. And it'll, pinch it, and it won't, like, it'll seat over this. The actual window will seat over this. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about if you're watching this video. But now you can see it fits perfectly. So that's it. I mean, save yourself, almost $200. Just adjust this bolt right here. No harm, no foul. Look, I can open the window all the way down. No weird noises. And then back up. Other than the motor noise, you can see my shit's pretty fucked up, but it still works. But I mean, see, that $200 I could have spent on this whole window seal can be spent on this now. Work smarter, not harder.